So the title of the show, The Cavernous, derives from this desire to represent a space of depth or like a vast space, alluding to an immense possibility, or like a space in complete opposition of that notion of possibility, and can become just as easily a space of hostility, emptiness, loneliness, or even something disorderly. I was inspired by the structural integrity of our human anatomy, specifically the skull being a container of the most powerful organ in our bodies, which is our brains. So our brains, they store our memories, behaviors, emotions, personality, and genetic information carried through our DNA, amongst many other things. And I wanted to represent how a structure could be designed to carry, retrieve, and even record limitless events or markers of time, and how through all of the efficient designs of what the mind can do, if there is a mutation or like some kind of rupture or mismanagement in its ability to function, the human subject can succumb to these two certain dysregulations in uncontrolled or unforeseeable ways.